So I went to this website
Yes.
and
Yes.
learn how to program with Minecraft, and I read the first chapter about how to set this up,
Yeah.
and it has a really good explanation. I had to download some stuff. I had
Yeah.
to launch a server here that runs a multiplayer server. So I had to connect to a multiplayer server with my Minecraft. But now, once I connected to that server, it responds to. So look right here, there's a
Yeah.
blank spot. Now, if I go here and run one of these scripts that I got from the book as well, I can make a forest appear out of nowhere. There, it's right in front of me now. And so, see all these lines of trees that
Yeah.
just came up? That just happened because of the script I ran.
Hmm.
So there's so many other cool scripts that come right from this book that you can try out. So there's some code here that you can download and explore. Let's take a quick look at. There's like moving blocks. There's making messages happen. There's
I want to do
making
like
flowers fall, dancing floor. So water current. I don't know what some of these random teleport. This will jump around. Um,
I want to do like
there's something called Diamond Survey. You want to see what that
ooh
does?
yeah.
I know you were into that. So all right.
Yeah, I like diamonds.
So I need to move back a folder, and then I can see it was in chapter 10. So chapter 10. So change directory to chapter 10, and then see what's there. And where's the diamond? There it is. So now I'll say, hey Python 3, run diamond, and now we can go back to see what's happening. There are no diamond ore blocks below you. Oh, okay. So it just tells us if there's diamond below us. So we can walk any old place. Let's see
Oh, okay.
if we walked over here, and then if
Oh.
I switch back over here, press
Oh,
that
okay.
again, and now it'll tell me. Oops, sorry. Click on that one. Yeah.
That.
And now it'll tell me there are also no diamonds below. So that's not super exciting, but that's how that script works.
Yeah, but when you keep on reading.
So instead of digging down to search, and you can walk anywhere, and I can tell you if there are diamonds below you. So you don't even have to check. I can use code to figure that out. So it's all sorts of fun things.
But I have all this. I have all the diamonds. Whoa. I Yo guys. Just getting my stuff. Hello. Hello. No, I don't want to have materials. I'm just. Hello. Bye. I'm going to die. Do, oh, this is now. Now bye. You can watch me. I really want This is. Well, Patrick, what if there was like a diamond shield and stuff? Like iron, like.
I know how to make a diamond shield.
So get a crafting table. Oh yeah, no, that won't work. I gotta go get some other weapons. No more weapons! Okay. So we. Whoa, whoa. Okay, that's.